Hi everyone, thank you very much for everybody that's sent me a message with regards to the beer pump issue that I had. Drunk Delilah Brewery, thank you very much for setting off something in my brain, wondering whether or not this was in fact a cylindrical or non-cylindrical or cylindrical less, however you want to pronounce it, type beer pump. And so I pulled it apart, and let me see if I can just show you what's going on here, guys. And I know it's pretty dark in here. Let me see if I can get some light on the issue. Just bear with me. This is a non-cylinder type. You see that thing there? I'll just spin it around slowly so you guys can see it says Dictator. And that little cartridge, cylinder, whatever you want to call it, is oil filled and has a spring in it, and it acts as a beer engine. So this does not need a check valve as such. I'll just set some things up and see if I can just show you how that works. Bear with me. So what I've done is, you can see around the back there, John Guest fitting. You just see straight in there, and then we follow that line. Typical. So if we just look in the back, there's the John Guest fitting. We follow that hose around, it comes out here, and what I've done, I've put it straight onto this little unit I use to clean my line. So there's no check valve or anything involved. I'm putting pressure on, there's nothing coming out. So let me just see. I'll put this down here, and if I just pull the handle, I just leave that handle down. It gives about, that was 2 pulls, let me just see what that is. So about 250 mil per pull as such. So yeah, so that's me learning something new today. So I'll just put the keg on, we'll get a beer through it. And then, right, I've put everything back, put it directly into the keg, and set the pressure a bit higher than I would usually. So this is the golden ale that I made, how long ago was it now? It's got to be 3-4 weeks. Let's just go through the recipe. Proof, there we are. I only used Golden Promise on this one, and Golden Ale, here we are. So 17th of July, that's when I did it. So it was Golden Ale, and then the Nelson Sauvin, and it's called Moutier, if I pronounce it properly. And that is it basically. It was 100, let me see what the, right, so it's 20 grams of the Moutier at in mash, 10 grams of Moutier at 10-minute boil, 10 grams of Moutier at 5-minute boil, and 100 grams of the Nelson Sauvin at aroma, and SO4. So let's give it a go. I hope to make this glass some justice. Let's start pouring. Bring it around. Not the best light here, guys, sorry. That's a bit of alright, isn't it? I'll just put you back down here. Golden ale. Now I'd say that's golden. Got a decent head on it, guys. Right. A bit of a aroma. It is malty. And quite fruity as well, to be fair. It's at room temp, no chilling or anything on this, so I'm going to dive in on this one, guys. I'm desperate for a beer. Wow, that is absolutely beautiful. Mouthfeel is unreal. It's a medium to full bodied. That came out at 4.5%. Oh, I could smash about 4 of them. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm really proud of that one. That's a recipe of my own, and I'm going to keep that one. It is absolutely amazing. I love it. Oh, so thanks very much, guys, for all your help. This community, I've said it before, one of the best, and everybody wants to help. No nastiness, just help, you know, assistance. Have you tried this? Have you tried that? It's brilliant. Thank you very much. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Better say the words, don't I? Iechyd da.